Wait, let me get a drink of my delicious ice cold sun drop.
DSD, dude.
No sponsorship yet, but sure wish we did.
So what's up, everybody on their parents' internet at home? It's cold out here, not really, sun's out. We're cooking some Smashburgers today. Reed invited me over the other day for Smashburgers. My main thing was like, why? That's so stupid that they call them that. They're just thin hamburgers. And he was like, nah, man, there's like a thing to it.
The Smashburger game's kind of new to me. I don't know how long it's been around. I ain't really read no books on it or done no research. But Smashburger, ever since the Blackstone's kind of been around, I feel like the Smashburger.
Well, it's a hot topic right now for sure. Oh, everybody's buying Blackstones for Christmas and getting their kids that. Anyway, this is Reed's take on it. I was impressed, dude. I was like, okay, it is different than a hamburger. Explain the difference between a big thick old hamburger and these guys.
Well, these are so quick. I mean, we've been eating Smashburger. If you've been eating McDonald's hamburgers or fast food hamburgers, you've been eating Smashburgers your whole life. Yeah. Just I think the griddle game is kind of new to the scene. And so now that you can have a portable griddle, now I mean this is 17 inches. It's literally called the Blackstone Adventure. So like I've got a little case for it. I can throw it in the back of the truck, super mobile, super portable, gets hot quick. Just take a tank gas with you, and man, you can cook anywhere. But the Smashburger, I got into cooking burgers and doing the thumbprint. And I do, man. I love a juicy big burger, but you know, I mean, I like the process of this. It's quick. I mean, you can, you have it done.
Feed a lot of people.
Feed a lot of people in a short amount of time. Yeah. 2 patties, bunch of cheese, bunch of onions all over it. We had it down in Mossy Oak deer camp this year, and I kind of like from that point on, man, I've just been cooking them like every week, man.
This is a dough that I shot in. Where did you go with this? Missouri. Ground her up. We've already made it through the tenderloins. I went probably 75, it's more like 80-20 on beef fat. I went beef fat on these.
Which is, if you were doing a regular, they would tell you if you were doing a regular burger or a smash burger, they tell you to get 80-20 probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because you need a high fat content
well,
to hold
just
together?
and just to keep it juicy. You know, I mean, like keep it quick cook, juices stay in the burger. It doesn't cook out dry. That's another great thing about when you see these when we're done with them, they'll be dripping, like wood grain dripping. You know what I'm saying?
Folds on 2 deer burgers. All right, let's go get started. What's the first thing?
Man, here's how I do it. Parchment paper. Deer burger, and they'll tell you golf ball size. I do mine a little bit bigger because I like it dripping off the side, wood grain dripping. Dude, here's the process.
A little salt and
little
pepper.
Parchment, yep. Just a little salt, a little light dusting.
We're using Angelo's here, but it's basically just salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic.
Little vegetable oil to get the
normal
get the
steakhouse
sizzle going.
What's that called? Just any steakhouse seasoning. Kind of a glorified Montreal, to be honest.
Slap it on there.
You don't put your onions on first or nothing?
Oh yeah, I did skip that part. I gotta throw some onions on there. Little dusting. Take that parchment paper.
Don't put that plastic seasoning bottle on that black.
Hold these.
Sure, man.
A little handful of onions. Get that on there. I like to put a bunch of onions on there. Get that, get the juices flowing.
I'm weird about onion taste. I'm weird about onion texture, so I want mine like cooked to a
dusting. Same thing, just little balls of meat. Little dusting, flap it on the grill, little handful of onion on it. Shoot, we'll just put them all on there. I'm gonna do 6, I'm gonna do 3 burgers. So this is the Smashburger process. What's up, my neighbors? I don't really have, you can have like a burger press, or you can use whatever you got. But this is the most important part. Put it on there, scoot this one out of the way. Smash it down.
How thin are you going?
10 seconds. I'm putting some pressure on there. Holding it 10 seconds, all about that contact point between the meat and the griddle. Pull that off. Boom, baby.
Oh, that is super flat, bro. Dude, it's supposed to be that flat?
Smashburgers, huh?
I mean, that's gonna be like a tater chip.
It'll shrink up.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you're literally smashing the onions into the burger.
Smashing the onions into the burger, and that's why I like onions on mine, because it cooks that onion taste. You don't get the sharp, harsh onion taste, but you get a nice onion taste in the burger.
It's the crunch for me. It's the crunch for me. I just don't love the texture of the crunch thing. I want my stuff like black, dog.
And then once you get the process going, it's kind of fun, man, because it's non-stop, because it goes quick.
Yeah, this is fun.
Thin pants, dog, that hurt. Throw this right there, done with the smash. Let's see this bad boy. Give me some cheese out, Dan. Let that cook. Let that cook a little longer.
Yeah, so you gotta let them cook so they don't fall apart, I'm assuming?
Yeah, you just let them cook, get that nice black crust on the bottom.
So are you cooking these the same amount of time as like a beef burger or anything different?
Well, since it's venison, it's gonna take a little bit longer to blacken up. And so I'm leaving it on there just a little bit longer just to get that black on the bottom.
And you're going super high heat,
that crunch. Super high heat, super flat.
How's it go?
Onions all over. Yeah, I've got it cranked up. I mean, this is so small, it gets real hot like that, and it don't hold heat as well as a big one because it's only got one burner. But so I crank it up high heat.
I know a lot of people use pork fat in their burger. Man, I went beef this year, and I don't think I'm going back. I enjoy flavor of beef fat. And I don't put a ton in there. And there are some of my ground that I just go straight deer on. But like for burgers and stuff like that, I like to put a little fat in there to have some juiciness.
So once you flip your burgers, you're gonna go straight cheese on top.
So you're just flipping those guys one time?
Yep, one time, that's all it takes.
New thing.
Yep.
God is doing a
Watch
new thing.
Watch this, a little water in the middle.
What's happening here? What's the point of this?
So what we're doing is we're creating a sauna for these burgers. And all they're gonna do is just sit in there. That water's gonna steam it up, melt that cheese around that whole thing.
I like that. I like the style right there. I didn't know you were really gonna do the thing. You're doing the thing.
So leave that in there for a second.
It's pretty pro.
Move these over to the side. Here's an important part too, man. You can't just go straight on a bun. And here's the thing too, dude.
Oh, you can't.
Don't be cheap, man. No. We're gonna butter that up and put them on. Hang on, dog. Don't go cheap buns. Get the brioche. Spend a little bit more money. Your taste buds will thank you later. A little butter straight on the griddle. Where your buns are gonna be, just let that bad boy on there. Meanwhile, you just let these bad boys cook. They're chilling on here. It's not, if you leave them on there too long, you're still gonna get all the juice captured in that burger.
There. Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah, man.
Holding for 4 buns, bro.
Dude, how long? I mean, this whole process take what? 5 minutes?
Oh well.
6 minutes at max.
10. That smells so good, dude.
Go right on top of the bun.
Little scraggly onions on there.
Get some scraggly in the back.
So you like these onions like this, right? Okay. This is all creative Brett's stuff right here, dog.
But dude, straight off the grill onto the bun. Can't beat it.
Dude, those
These
are good.
squirts a little bit more.
There you go. If you are noticing your onions aren't crisping like you want them to, browning up like you want them to, hit them with a little oil, and then they'll fry right up. You're essentially frying though.
Yeah, just sauteing them.
Sauteing the onions, like I said.
Not frying.
We'll get a little.
Yeah, I already did that, but it's cool.
Oh yeah, as you can see, the burgers cook even better when you're wearing a Brothers Hunt hoodie, which you can find in the merch shop. Shopify shop by clicking the link in the bio of the Instagram.
We're not good at this.
Nope.
We don't know what we're doing.
Like it. Get that guy out of here. Dude.
Little venison smash burger for you, boy.
Bro, you gotta try that. Seriously, man. It's a different take on a hamburger, man. It's just not the same. Get in here.
Next time you do burger night, dude, do this, man. You don't have to have a Blackstone to do this. You can do it on a cast iron skillet.
How about that, Brett?
In your house.
That's money, dude.
I have money.
And the thing is like...
That took 1 pound. 1 pound makes 6 patties, pretty much.
And you ain't even had a whole lot of deer meat in your life, have you? But recently, have you had it like that?
Not like that.
Not on a burger. Not a smash burger. Dude, I would say that's better than the beef burgers.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's better.
I'll tell you this. You take me to any restaurant around here and give me the option between that and the best burger they make.
No doubt.
Well, that.
No doubt. I could eat that burger every time.
Yeah, so
obviously,
good,
it's a
dude.
different process on how to make it. It's just it's a couple of patties, a lot more cheese. But dude, that right there, man. So anyway, that's the Brothers Hunt take on a venison smash burger. Next time you're doing burgers, smash them up. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, it's real good.
That's stupid. That's stupid.
It tastes that beef fat in there too.